That? More spaghetti? More spaghetti? Yes? Are you sure? Okay. Here it comes. Sander, what are Daddy and Skylar doing?
Get up!
Watching the Women's Soccer World Cup 2011. Let's see if they win. USA up 2-1. What? More spaghetti? I don't know if there's any more in there. I think the only person that compete with you in a spaghetti eating contest is Marley. Marley sat down 30 seconds ago and half her plate's gone. It's spaghetti. I better turn this off before I tell you that you've eaten an entire bowl of spaghetti and you're going to scream at me. Too late. Well, it's spaghetti. You've eaten the entire bowl. It's spaghetti.
The USA is so proud of Ian.
The USA is proud of Ian?
Yeah. Because they're helping him.
Oh, and Skylar's imaginary friend Ian is playing on the U.S. soccer team. Right, Sky?
Right.
Yes. It's spaghetti. I think I'm going to nickname you the human vacuum cleaner. The human vacuum cleaner. Here you go. Here's more. Don't calm down. Here's more. There's more. Look. Look. There you go. You want the whole bowl? Here. Here. It's the bowl. It's the bowl.
Come on, Ian. Run off. You run off. You run off. Come on, come on, come on. Ian did that. He stopped him by pushing him forward.
You've eaten the entire bowl. That is a bigger serving than I will give Skylar.
And then
Oh, yeah.
Ian got it and then passed it to the USA team.
Need some more?